Update. Welcome guys, welcome. This is my video about Particl. So yeah, let's look at Particl currently. I haven't made a video in some time for Particl versus BTC. Wyckoff accumulation phase is still intact. Yeah, still looking good versus BTC. And I actually noticed something quite interesting because we had this macro accumulation phase, right? With a nice spring, some strong sign of strength, and yeah, right now we are getting support on the creek, right? If you could draw this further, you could actually see that it's kind of support on this line, right? But if you look really close, more up, you could actually I could actually see an argument for a mini accumulation phase, right? If you have a buying climax right here, a selling climax right here, automatic reaction, secondary test, testing resistance right here. So let's say we have this line right here as resistance, and this is like a secondary test. So let's ignore this line, right? And then you have a nice springing phase, which is supposed to shake out everyone who is holding Particl. And then we have a nice jump across the creek. If you have a creek right here, a jump across it with a really strong buying movement, a test across on the creek, and another jump across it. So Particl versus BTC looks really strong, and I guess someone is accumulating a lot of Particl at this point. That's what I'm making of by doing TA on Particl, because actually when we look at Particl versus the dollar, it's a lot stronger. Actually, the springing phase is even stronger, right? So you see some nice volume right here, and it looks like a strong accumulation phase right here. A small one though. Again, buying climax, selling climax, automatic reaction, secondary test, resistance, creek, and a sort of secondary test, right? In phase B. And then a strong spring phase with a jump across the creek, and another one finding support on this support line, and we might see a jump across another creek, or even you never know what happens, but that would be logical. So yeah, interesting times for Particl. Very interesting times. It really depends on BTC. Particl shows strength versus BTC. A lot of strength actually, but BTC is still the market maker, and so yeah, it means that if BTC decides to shit itself, then Particl will get hit and it will bleed versus USD. If it goes sideways or goes up or whatever, we might see some upward bullish movement on Particl. Only thing that is worrying me a little bit right now is this 250 EMA. Let's look at the 8 hours. Hasn't crossed over yet. 4 hours it did, which is this is a death cross, right? So that's a bear signal. Well, that definitely happened. and yeah, right now it's turning. It's actually been overbought a little bit if you look at the B bands. So B bands are kind of closing, and either we see some strong bullish movements upwards, or you see some sideways movements ready for the next move. So yeah, this is going to be very interesting in the long term next week. Um, that's my long term for Particl right now. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on Particl. Um, I think I will make a video in a few days just to see what the current market is doing and to decide what I'm going to do with my Particl right now. Um, I'm probably just going to hold it because I'm still very bullish on Particl, and uh, yeah, it might be this. If you bought in this spring phase, congratulations, because you probably have made a really cheap and great decision, and you bought Particl at goddamn $12. Jesus, if you look at this price right here, man, we were at like $50. Wow. I haven't bought any coins, to be honest. I haven't sold anything either. I haven't even traded this market, mostly because I didn't have time. I was too busy. That's why I also haven't made any video about any coin at this moment. But and honestly, I didn't know what to do. I knew we was going to have a correction on BTC, but in the long term, I'm very bullish on a lot of these strong altcoins, and I think that we will gain a lot of ground versus BTC. Yeah, it's not looking very good for BTC in the long term. That's my opinion. So that doesn't mean it's going to be gone. I mean, that would be ridiculous, but I think it will lose a lot of its market dominance, and a lot of altcoins um, will be gaining a lot of that, and Particl is definitely one of them. So yeah, this is my video. I will make a new video in a few days, probably within a week. So if you want to see that video, um, subscribe, like my video, or just I'll probably post it on the Particl Reddit. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.